In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my 1password master password. By the end, you'll feel comfortable updating this critical credential safely and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for 1password. Click through to the official 1password website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before you sign in. If you use bookmarks, this is a great moment to use them so you land on the correct page every time. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in details and follow any prompts you see. Keep in mind that your master password is the key that unlocks your entire vault, so you'll need your current one available to proceed. If you don't remember it, you'll need to follow 1password's recovery process separately before you can continue. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile. This is typically your name or an avatar icon. Your profile menu is where you'll find settings that affect your account, security, billing, and importantly for today, password changes. From the profile menu, choose Manage Account. This takes you to your account dashboard where all major account actions live. Take a moment to scan the page so you know where things are. It helps if you ever need to revisit these settings later. Inside the account management area, select Change Password. This is the dedicated section for updating your master password. You'll see fields for your current password and the new one you want to create, along with any requirements such as minimum length or character types. Enter your current master password carefully. Typing it accurately is essential, and it's normal for the field to hide what you're typing. If there's a reveal option, use it only when you're in a private, secure location. Now enter your new master password. Aim for something long, unique, and memorable to you. Many people like a passphrase made of several random words with a few numbers or symbols added for extra strength. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. If a strength meter appears, aim for the strongest rating. Consider testing that you can type it smoothly a couple of times to avoid lockouts later. Finally, click Change Password to confirm. Wait for the success message so you know it's saved. Your new master password will apply to your account across devices, and you may be asked to use it the next time you unlock 1password elsewhere. That's it. You've successfully changed your 1password master password. Keep it private, store it securely, and you'll be all set.